Hey, welcome back. Today's video, we're going to review the NUUK Air Fryer. It's called the Brisk series and it comes in this nice big little box. I don't have enough table space, so I'm just trying to show it to you as easily as I can. So it comes in a nice box like this and I got it on Amazon. It's a paid product, so I haven't got it free of cost or something for a review. So I paid for this. So this is a very compact air fryer. It's about 6.5 liters. It's got ILAG technology. It's supposed to be ceramic coating, so there's no harmful chemicals or Teflon coating which can leach into your food. Touch display. I think most of the air fryers come with that. 8 cooking presets. Show you the other parts of it. So like I mentioned, 6.5 liters, the important parts, XL basket, so 360 degree, even the cooking with no dryness apparently. 40 to 200 degrees, 8 cooking presets, shake alarm for mid-cooking reminders, see-through window, 2 years warranty, an ISO certified product, and it's also got some safety tech built in. It's called Brisk, Eat, Slay, Love. As always, NUUK makes some amazing products, so I did review a couple of their products. Particular fan, NUUK fan is so awesome and it's still one of the most unique fans you get in the market. And it's a beautiful desk fan. So I have some videos on this. I'll leave links, check that out if you want to. Okay, so this is also won some design awards. Yeah, 2 years warranty, sand code for extended warranty. You have to claim that, so you don't get extended warranty unless you claim it. Let's open this up. Okay, so this apparently comes in an open box policy with Amazon. So in case you think that it was already open, it wasn't. It's just a verification they do. Okay, let me just clear this box for you. 16 amp socket, so just remember that. What else is in the box? So you do have some product support cards from NUUK. So it's a glass window over here and it says hot surface. There's a tape added on the side to actually prevent accidental opening up. So come off now. Yeah. And that's CeramicTech, it says. Peel before use. So meal is toxin-free. So they've used this coating on this inside of this basket. So it's supposed to have ceramic layer and certified. So there's no toxin leakage no matter what you cook in this, right? So obviously they've done some temperature checks and testing. So they didn't find any kind of plastic or anything leaching into the food or Teflon layers. So that's the glass window. It's kind of tinted, but you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, so that's all you have in this before you plug it on. I think on the side, let me just show you. So yeah, it just says the same thing over here. It's certified, ILAG-certified, so it's Swiss engineered. So obviously it's got some sort of testing done. And like I mentioned, there is a gap over here. It tells, mind the gap, it likes to vent. So obviously there's going to be some hot air going to be thrown out of that. At the bottom, you have the wiring over here, 16 amp cable. It's got the organizer from NUUK as well. It's a very big plug. Looks like really good quality. It's not like the local plug, right? So good quality stuff. That's it. That's all you have. And it's pretty lightweight. I mean, I just tell you, I mean, this is very easy to move around. 6.5 liters is the standard size as well, I think. So it's not that it's small by any chance. So yeah, so they've given you this plate as well. I haven't figured out how to use it yet, but I think it just goes in here when you want to put something. Yeah, it just sits in here and then, you just... Oh, by the way, this comes in different colors. For whatever reason, this particular color is the cheapest of the lot. So the other colors were like $1,000 more. So this one is actually cheaper. So it's got a scan code as always for you to easily get access to user manuals or documents pertaining to this. So we can plug it on and see what kind of display comes up. I mean, I'm going to switch and use it right away, but let's just turn it on and see what happens. So let's switch this thing on, and I'm just going to show you that it does use a big plug point again, so that... Okay, here goes nothing. So it did show something, and there is a red light here, so the power button actually glows, which is nice. Wow, it's got everything digital and it's a nice little display over here. We're going to put some stuff in and show you how it works. So the first thing we tried is some paneer with some capsicum, and we just marinated it very lightly, and we just tried the basic tandoor mode here, 180 degrees and in about 12 minutes. And we just got it started, and we added some butter paper before we put everything. So You can see it's mildly spiced, and there's some fried onion as well. It took about, I think, about 10 minutes for us to get something like this. It's a little bit overdone, but it tasted good. We didn't use a lot of oil, so it looked good. And then we moved on to something more greener, the bendies, obviously lady's finger. We used the butter paper again, a little bit of olive oil. I mean, this is the butter paper we used. This was slightly lower temperature, 15 minutes, and we got it started, and it turned out to be very well. I mean, of course, there's the shake alarm after some time for you to just tilt the thing and get the contents mixed. And then after some time we got the result. It was pretty nice. This one with cashews bendi was really easy to make. You can also cut it vertically and get a different flavor to it. Complicated dishes with this banana cake with some chocolate chips was something we tried. And again, this is the first time we're doing all this. So we put in bake mode, increase the temperature as per the recipe, and then after some time it came out really well. It actually looked well, and the whole room started smelling of cake. And I just did a knife test, and you saw that nothing sticks to it. So it was really baked well inside, and it tastes really good. Tastes well with some chocolate ice cream, of course. Then, of course, we tried the pizza. We put basic vegetables. We used, a sourdough pizza base, and then we made 2 of these just to see different variations. And in one, we just added a little bit of olive oil, a lot of cheese, mozzarella cheese, and pizza sauce as well as the base. And it came out really well as well. And again, you see the butter paper here was a little different. So that's my short review on the NUUK Air Fryer. If you like this, the product links are in the description. Thanks so much for watching the video. Please hit like and share it with your friends. See you on the next one. Bye.